It's interesting watching people post on their Facebook about their immune system and how they're so focused on their immune system and their aging, which means that when you're so focused on your immune system is programmed to negate the nutrients in the food supply. And so that's why you're aging. So your focus on your immune system actually is very lopsided and counterproductive because you're not maximizing the nutrients. And so this is another part of an area that I will be covering, is the fact that people are so focused on that part of themselves. And the aging process is when you have conflicting viral programming that's been weaponized against your environment that you can't even assimilate to your microbiome, your environment, anything that requires you to adapt. And so, yeah, and then of course, like I said, when you're using all the different antibiotics like echinacea and turmeric and honey and all that stuff and all the different oncological methods that you're seeing out there that are being used, like chemotherapy and cannabis and all that. Yeah, people are so heavily into their immune system, but they have no idea their immune system is working against their food supply. That's why you're aging. That's why you're not worried about anything else but your immune system, because that is your permission to pass away in this society sooner than later. And when the system, who is promoting both sides of the equation, when they are getting your allowance to focus more on your immune system, not understand how it has been programmed against the food, then you won't take food seriously. And food is not being taken seriously with people. They're starving themselves, and of course they're taking things that are going to work against them, because the body develops a defense system against anything they use as a remedy or as a weapon against their DNA. And that is a concept I learned the last couple weeks, and it has gotten easier to talk about and to say in a very quick and discerning fashion, because your immune system is the Department of Defense. When you think about the DoD, it is a huge government agency. And the Department of Defense also translates into biotechnology. So you could almost say, yeah, we have bioweapons out there that are oncology. It's the medical holistic system is the bioweapons. It's those who are promoting all of their tunnel vision around their immune system. It's such an it's so weird, because I remember how I thought that the immune system has a positive and negative. No, I figured out, I taught myself, and I woke myself up when I realized that your adaptive and your innate immune system are both negatives. They both produce B cells and T cells, and they're both negatives. Now, you can have a B cell and a T cell that is suppressed, which allows you to have growth. And when you have so much growth, it's called cancer. When you don't have enough growth, it's your immune system cannibalizing you. So the reason why you grow is because your immune system will suppress itself so you can grow. And then when it needs to defend itself, then that's when you have all those B cells and T cells, then allow those things to do its job. And then the food supply is supposed to recode you. The food supply is supposed to develop your organs and keep developing them as you are converting your energy in this dynamic environment full of people using the therapies. And so then I realized that, I just ate something. That, the reason why you're able to grow is the fact that your immune system does not hold the traitorous T cells and B cells that have been a weapon against your food, because you use food as medicine, or you are around people using food as medicine that you have not released their programming. You have allowed your friends and family's programming of their bodies against the food supply and the environment to actually commandeer your immune system and reprogram it and redirect its intentions. And so this is getting easier and easier to say. And it'll be easier to understand when you realize that your body, your DNA, will develop a defense system against anything that attacks it, whether it's a person, place, or thing, or a protein, or an element, or a food, or someone who has caused PTSD. There are certain people I don't want to hang out with from my past because they're dangerous. I have a B memory, cell memory against certain people out there in the world. So I will not be in their presence. I don't want to be in their presence. They're too dangerous. Okay? So you have to understand how this works. And I'm going to tag somebody in this. Because it's not about boosting your immune system. Because you don't know what the fuck you're boosting. What are you boosting? The defenses against your food supply? It's not about boosting your immune system. It's knowing that your immune system is programmed against your environment. That's why you're aging. That's why you have cancer. That's why you have disease. That's why you have chronic illness. That's why you have autoimmune disorders. That's why you have food allergies. That's why you are emaciated and obese. That's why you have every issue in the book that you're looking for a remedy for, because you are boosting your immune system, and that immune system has been programmed against your life. Your life, your belief system, against everything, against your nutrition. So it's very tunneled and narrow-minded to only promote boosting your immune system when that actually has been weaponized against you. Boom. Bye.